So this is my take of a micro FT3D. Split the PDF up into printable plans because I have an 11 by 17 printer here at the house. So it's actually 57.6 because I wanted a 19-inch span. The big changes on the plans that just had to be made on the fly was the step for the B fold. You can see I offset it to the outside. Hopefully this fold works out all right. And I had to make the hatches slightly wider to pick up the wider cuts, the wider material cuts, because plans were shrunk down, which means the red line distances were shrunk down. Without access to the actual file, I couldn't make those changes. So there, in this top hatch had to be extended slightly to fit the fold. Also, the horizontal cutouts and the spar cutout is still open to adjustment, if you will. I'm still playing with that. But all the parts fit on roughly 3/4 of a sheet. And this is my donation vehicle, if you will. It's a UMX Shabak 342 from E-Flight. Great plane, I loved it. Very fast, unbelievably fast. But also a little bit delicate. I kept doinking up the nose, trying to learn 3D. So I marked all of the lines, just simply here. And then this is the control board. And I know you can order these separately. This control board has the AS3X stabilization. You can get these separately from Horizon Hobby or Hop Me Up over on eBay. This is the standard 10-gram brushless motor. Now the Shabak prop is a higher pitch prop. They have a model called the UMX Hyper Taxi, which has the same diameter, but is a much shorter pitch, and I'll be using the Hyper Taxi prop to slow it down. That's where we are so far. And if needed for wing alignment, I just had some 1/8 inch Luan here. I drew out a spar joiner. I don't think we're going to need it. These micro planes, I've built a few. They just don't require the same spar thickness and strength that you would consider on a typical model. The material itself lends an incredible amount of strength. It becomes a semi-monocoque or full monocoque construction when you're talking airplane construction, where the wing skin actually provides the strength rather than a built-up type construction with like when you think traditional balsa building, where the spar carries all the wing loading. But that's where we are so far, and I will catch up in a few after I cut this thing out.